Right then, have you come to my house for a makeover? Do you feel a bit unhappy in the way you look at the moment? You like the way you look? Well, I'll try and keep you as true to character as possible. You're going to look fabulous. Don't be alarmed, but the first thing I'm going to do is chop your head off. Well, I say chop, I mean unpick and take your head off. Yeah, then I'm going to put my hand inside your brain and I'm going to pull it out. And I'm going to make you a new skull. Would you like that? Well, we'll see what happens. I'm sure you will look fabulous. Don't look so nervous. See you later. Well, look at you. How do you feel? Do you feel a bit lonely? Well, this can happen when you've got nobody. Well, if I thought you looked a bit lonely and fed up before, I've got to say, you look absolutely deflated. Never mind, we'll see what we can do. Brighten you up.
Oi, have you noticed something about my mate? He's got no nose.
Well, how does he smell?
Bloody awful.
You look absolutely marvellous. I hope you like your new body and face. You're the same underneath as you always were. That's important. But I'm sure Katie will absolutely love you, which she did anyway. So, thank you very much. I don't know your name. Never mind. Bye. Oh, it suits you. I've left the front of his hair loose so it moves.
Yeah.
See if he wants to do some head banging.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Hi.
What do you think, Ollie? I bet you're
That's
dying
really
to
good.
go on, yeah?
He does, he looks much better, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's good enough to use it in a song, isn't it?
Straight. It sounds like that. It looks like it sounds like that voice.
Yeah, potentially. Maybe that
That's
is.
really cool.
Oh, hey, lovely.